Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Not too long ago on my website, I published a blog post about patch birding. For those of you not familiar with the term, patch birding just simply means birding frequently at the same location, somewhere close to home or your local patch. This could be a park down the street, your local conservation area, or even your own backyard. The idea with patch birding is you visit the area, multiple times a week, different times during the day, and you kind of get to know the birds that frequent this area. Today Molly and I are here at one of my favorite patches to do a little patch birding, and we're going to see what kind of wildlife we can find. So Molly's here all ready to go. I'm ready to go, and with any luck at all, we'll find some great species. Here's a yellow-rumped warbler. So here we've got a bald eagle. This guy's literally right above my head almost. Just walking by this tree and there he was. So here we have a male Baltimore oriole. So here we have a pair of wood ducks up in the tree. I just watched as they flew in. This is the female. Here's a male wood duck. Wood ducks are cavity nesters, so it's not uncommon to find them in trees this time of year. This is sometimes what you deal with when birding with Molly. She likes a good roll in the fresh green grass. You think, Molly, does that feel good? Hey, does that feel good? This here is a killdeer. And they get their name from their call when they let out their typical call. It's killdeer, killdeer, killdeer. And back here is one of their small little chicks. And if you want my opinion on the cutest baby bird, it would be a baby killdeer. I'm actually shooting this through a chain link fence, so hopefully I'm getting good focus and not focusing on the on the links too much, but if you're seeing little gray lines in the image, that's what it is as I just pan through the fence here. Another cool trick that the killdeer will do is they'll pretend to be injured. They'll quite often put a wing out, the adults will, to get your attention to draw it away from the young ones. So predators think the adult is injured with its wing out, draws the attention away from the little more vulnerable chicks. This particular bird's actually got 3 chicks. 2 of them there just came in close. Gonna tuck underneath. And the third little guy's just kind of wandering. Oh, he's coming in there. I think he's actually got 4. Here comes a 4th one down the hill. So they're huddling up underneath the parent here. The 4th one. Like I say, I'm shooting this through a chain link fence, and I'm zoomed in pretty good. I'm gonna guess I'm probably about 30-40 yards away. One of the nice things about patch birding, especially for those of you who like to take pictures, is you don't need a big expensive lens to get results. A 55 to 250 millimeter lens or a 70 to 300 works great. You know, a lot of people use these areas, these parks, conservation areas, wherever you choose to go. So the birds and wildlife are accustomed to people, and as a result you can get fairly close. So a big, long, expensive lens isn't always necessary. You can do well with a kit lens. The main thing is learn your equipment, shoot within its limitations, and get your exposure right, and you'll see great results. A lot of people ask me about Molly with me birding and whatnot. So with the west wind, she can smell the deer, but as you can see, she's happy to just stand back and watch. They're moving through the edge of the forest, and she's just happy to watch. So you can bird and enjoy nature with the dog. Keep them on a leash, well trained. She's just happy to watch, just like me. These mallards are paired off, likely be nesting soon. This is a northern rough-winged swallow. Baltimore Oriole singing here. So you'll probably notice throughout the clips in this video how the light is constantly changing. And that's something as I walk around I have to adjust for. If I just showed up at the park, dialed in my settings, or used automatic mode and never changed anything else again, most of my images would end up being overexposed or underexposed based on the conditions. Today it's gone from being bright sunny skies to heavy overcast to even some rain. So as a result, I'm constantly changing my settings. Here we've got a male goldfinch. There we have a song sparrow. Yellow warbler. Here's a flicker. One of the flicker's favorite foods are ants. So you quite often find them on the ground like this, probing with their long bills for ants. This particular one is a female, and the way you tell a male and a female flicker apart is by the mustache or malar stripe. So a male would have a black line going from its corner of its bill across its cheek, whereas this one doesn't. So you know this one is a female. I hope you enjoyed this video on patch birding. I know Molly and I had a great time making it. With Peely and Rondo and so many other parks being closed, a lot of birders are disappointed that they can't get to their favorite areas during spring migration. Patch birding can be incredibly rewarding, especially during migration, but any time of the year. So if you've got a patch nearby you, I encourage you to check it out. It took me about 5 minutes to get here. I spent pennies in gas, and I plan on coming back again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, good birding.